Hello guys, today we are going to make a magical box that is a quiz. Here you can see when we give a correct answer to a question, then the electrical bulbs lights up. So ask anybody a question and have a great time. So now we need to take a cardboard cylinder and with the help of cutter cut out the required size of cylinder so it will look somewhat like this, and now we need to fix this cylinder on the top of the box. For that we need to take a sharp pointer and make a circular pattern so that we can get a circular hole for fixing this cylinder. Now guys, we need to take a bulb and the bulb holder and some electrical wires. With the help of electrical wire cutter, remove the top insulation of the wire and then connect the positive and the negative terminals of this bulb, and then make use of a screwdriver for fixing the terminals, and make sure that there is no wire touching so that it leads to the electrical short circuit. Now friends, we need to take a battery holder. The battery holder needs a soldering process, so watch the process for fixing these terminals. So guys, once the soldering process is done on the battery holder, we need to connect one terminal of the bulb to the battery holder so that the positive and negative terminals are completed and we get a proper complete circuit. Now friends, we have completed with the box, you can see here, and now we will install the batteries into the battery holder and check whether the bulb lights up. So you can see here the bulb is lighting up, the electrical circuit is done properly, and now we will install it on the base of the box. Guys, now fix the bulb holder on the base of the box, so make use of hot glue gun for fixing it properly, and also on the battery holder put some hot glue gun and fix the position of the batteries. Also we need to fix this cylinder on the top of the battery bulb holder, and then fix with the hot glue gun. We need to make use of these aluminum clips for fixing the electrical wires from the question to the correct answers. So we need to make this use of these clips. So we need to make a number of connections like that, and then that is how much questions you have, that much connections we need to make. Now guys, we have a question and answer sheet, so we are going to make a hole on the question end and as well as on the answer side, so that we can connect this electrical wire from the back side of this sheet. So we need to connect to a correct answer in order to light up the lamp. So once the connections are done, please check the connection whether the bulb lights when you give a correct answer. After making a proper connection, put an extra sheet from backside of these connections to protect these connections. So now we're going to put some gelatin paper on the top of the bulb so that it will look more glowing more. Once the all connections are done, check finally if the bulbs lights properly, and then we need to remove the terminals, output terminals from both the sides of the cardboard so that it will be easy for access. Once the installation of all the parts is done, we need to remove the terminals from both the sides of the box. Once everything is done, we need to stick this answer sheet on the top of the box, and now it will be ready for test.
Now friends, let's understand how this magic box work. Here we have a 7 wonders of the world. From one column we have a questions, another column it is having a well shuffled answers. So every question is connected to a correct answer in this column with the help of electric wire from the behind of this sheet. Now when we complete the full electric circuit, then the bulb lights. So similarly, when we ask a question, okay, we need to give a correct answer in order to light up the lamp. Here if you give a wrong answer, then it won't light up. If you have to give a correct answer, then the bulb will light up. So similarly, I am trying it on Petra. It's in Jordan, you can see. Then Colosima, it's in Italy. Then Chichen Itza, it's in Mexico. And Taj Mahal, it's in India. So if you answer a wrong answer, then it won't light up the light, you can see here. So now let's see the detailed construction inside this box. Inside the box you can see the bulb holder. From the bulb holder, one output wire is taken out. You can see this red color wire. The another is connected to the battery, and from the battery
So guys, that's it for the day, and try it for yourself and have a great time. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get more creative videos. So thank you very much. Take care.